Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be looking at the difference between table calculations and LOD expressions. So basically, table calculations versus LOD expressions. Let's say I would like to look at the profit from various categories. Okay, now if I have to show this profit as percentages, one method is to apply a table calculation. That is a quick table calculation, percent of total. Very easy. However, table calculation works with the data in the table, in the graph that is present in the canvas. So right now we have data coming from 3 categories. Okay. And the overall profit is 286,397, of which 18,000 is coming from furniture, 122,000 from office supplies, and 145,000 from technology. So in terms of percentages, this is considered as the grand total, 100%. So 6% of this value, which is 18,000, is coming from furniture. That is 18,451 is 6% of the overall profit. 122,491 is 42% of the overall profit. And this number here is 50% of the overall profit. Okay, so it depends on the data in the graph. Now suppose the values or the data in the chart changes. Suppose I remove technology. Now, this is considered to be the overall profit, 100%. Then 18,000 is 13% of that value, which we can see here. And 122,000 is 86% of that value. So this is considered to be 100%. And what is the contribution of each member towards that value? Suppose I remove office supplies. Then what is happening? We have only data for furniture alone, right? Which means that itself is my 100%, and it is obviously 100% of the value. So this is a table calculation where it depends on the data in the graph. Table calculation works with the data in the chart. Now I'm going to compute the percentages using an LOD expression. For that, first I will get the overall profit. The overall profit through fixed LOD. Fixed, I need the sum of profit. So this is going to give me the overall profit. Once I know the overall profit, I'm going to now compute the percentage. Which will be the sum of profit of the members in the chart, means sum of profit from each category, divided by the sum of overall profit that we obtained through the LOD expression. Okay, now I'm going to take this into the canvas, into the graph, and I'll format it and show it as a percentage. So this is percent of profit, which I'm going to show as a percentage value. And you can see both are the same. The table calculation result and the LOD expression result are both one and the same. Why are they the same? Because we have all the categories in the view. Overall profit is this and the percentages. Now let's remove one of them. Let's say technology is removed. Look at the result of the table calculation. It is with respect to data in the graph. Whereas what we obtained through the LOD expression is independent of the data in the chart. Okay, that is the difference between LOD and table calculation. Table calculation, output from the table calculation gets updated based on the data in the graph. Whereas the output from an LOD expression is irrespective of the level of detail in the chart. It is irrespective of the data in the chart, which it has been obtained through fixed LOD, so it wouldn't change. Okay, whether or not I'm using the other subcategories. If I keep only furniture also, it's saying me that furniture is 6% of the overall profit, which was obtained through an LOD expression. Okay, I hope this example gives you a clarity on the difference between a table calculation, which works on the data in the chart, and an LOD expression, which is irrespective of the data in the chart, fixed at a certain level of detail. Okay, if you all found this video informative, please do like and share it and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback for me, leave it in the comment section. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.